Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm holding the mic, something different. Something not so different is MQ MR Triton. I believe this one, is it an MQ or an MR, Tryler?
MQ, I think.
This guy doesn't know. Anyway, we're going to be fitting a EGR 3-piece hard lid. If you like EGR stuff, come to us. We can fit them for you. We're going to be removing these rails here, these Torno rails, because customer doesn't want Torno rails or a Torno. I think they're sick of the debris and dust and water getting in. We're going to be fitting that 3-piece hard lid. That's the one that we can fit the sports bar. We'll fit a sports bar on there for him as well. And then we're going to be doing a tub slide and a tub liner. Pretty much just bring this tub back to life, make it usable, make it sealed, and make it look nice. And follow along as we do that. And then the cameraman's gonna make me go out the shot like this, and I'm gone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gone. All you see is Triton. He's still filming me. He's still filming me. This whole thing.